We'll guide you through how to factory reset an HP laptop without the password and without signing in. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone and forgotten it, and so you want to go and reset it. We just want to go and reset it without having to go and log in. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Just remember, when you do this, all of your data is going to go be lost. All the settings, all the programs you've installed, unless they came pre-installed, they are going to go and be lost. So do go and consider that. You may want to try logging in to go and back them up. Unless you go and sync them somewhere already, it's probably worth trying to do this, as they will be permanently lost. You won't be able to get them back. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Watch this full guide and don't skip anything. And without any further ado, let's go and get started with this. So as you can see, if I go and press the space bar, I'm currently on the lock screen. So to go and get started with this, there are different ways you can go about it. But what we need to do is we need to get into recovery mode. There are two ways. So we're going to get started with the first way. So what you need to do is you need to come down to the bottom right. You go and see the power option here. Click on it. Now you need to go and hold the left shift, and then you want to go and press on restart. Now it's going to go and start restarting. Be patient. When it goes and restarts, it should go and start into the Windows recovery mode, essentially. Go be patient. It shouldn't take much longer. If this option doesn't work for you, don't worry. That's why we've got the second way. As you can see, it now says, please wait. Go and keep waiting. Shortly, it's going to go and boot in. As you can see, it's going to be blue, shouldn't be much longer. And here we are. And then we can go and start the process. However, if this option doesn't work for you, don't worry. The next way is we need to just go and shut down the computer. So we can go and press the power button in the bottom right and just go and shut it down as you usually would. Don't hold any keys. Just give it a moment for it to go and shut down. And then what we're going to do is just wait for the light to go and disappear on the power button. We're going to go and hold down the power button and F11 together. Start doing that now. It will then light up, and then you just start pressing the F11 key. Just keep on pressing it. We should shortly go and see the boot screen. Keep on pressing it. And then it'll go and say system recovery. Keep pressing it until it says please wait. And now it's going to go and be starting into the recovery mode. So there are two different ways you can go and get into the recovery mode. So now we should be entering it pretty shortly. As you can see, here we are. So hopefully now you managed to successfully get in here and we can continue with the process. So find the option for troubleshoot. It says reset your PC or see advanced options. Click there. Then it will go and say reset this PC. Lets you choose whether to keep or remove your personal files and reinstalls Windows. We can click there. So you can go and keep files. This will just remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Or what you can do is go and remove everything. So that's going to go and be an option there. So what we can then do is go and click on remove everything. Let's say I want to have a complete fresh start. So I'll click there. And then you can go and choose if you want to go and cloud install or local reinstall. Now, before you get to this screen here, if you have BitLocker enabled on your computer, then this will go and pop up. So what BitLocker is, it essentially goes and encrypts your drives. And in order to go and do the reset, you need to go and enter in the recovery key. So to go and get this recovery key, it will go and say, I'll put a screenshot of something what it will look like, but it's going to go and give you a web address. So go to that web address on another device. You need to go and sign into your Microsoft account. You go and use on this device here. And then what you can do is you can go and find the key. Enter in that key. It's quite long. I've had to enter it in before. I actually went and turned off this feature on the computer, but I've done this before. Enter in the key, and then you can go and continue with the guide. Ultimately, it goes and protects your laptop from people doing this unauthorized. So once you've entered that in, you can then go and choose the reset option. So we can do a cloud download or local reinstall. So you can go and choose between these. So in this case, I want to go and do a local reinstall, because if you cloud download, it's going to be 4 gigabytes and it's just going to take time to download. So I prefer to do a local install, and it's just going to go and get things ready now. Go and be patient. It shouldn't be much longer. And then you can go and choose here. If you just want to go and remove files, you can use this if you're keeping your PC, or you can clean the drive fully. Use this if you're going to recycle the PC. This can take several hours. So I want to have this completely cleaned. So I'm going to go for that second option there, like so. Now it shouldn't take too much longer. And then we're going to be on the next page where you can go and confirm everything. So it says, are you ready to reset this device? This cannot be undone. Make sure your device is plugged in. Mine already is. And it's just saying that resetting is going to remove all personal files and accounts, changes made in settings, apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and reinstall Windows from this device. So you can then go and press reset and the process will then go and begin. Give it time to complete. Because I went for the clean, it will go and take a bit of time, but then afterwards you're going to go and have factory reset it and you'll be able to go and get it set up. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We make guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you out again, whether it's with HP, Windows, iPhones, Androids, everything, we cover it. So if you want to go and see more, check out the channel. If you have any suggestions for some content you want to go and see or potentially have help with, put it down below and we'll see what we can go and do. I look forward to help you in the next guide whenever we go and catch you again. Please consider subscribing and liking the video if you manage to go and get your problem solved and your computer reset. Have a great day and I'll catch you again. Goodbye for now.